Hello, in this video I will show you how to do the conversion tracking for form submission using Divi forms. So the first thing you need to do is create the thank you page where after submission the form will be after submitting the form you would redirect to the landing page. Once the thank you page has been created, you copy the slug or the URL for the landing page and go into the form settings. You click the gear icon to edit, scroll down to redirect, enable, and then paste the URL for the landing page. Make sure to add a trailing slash because that will determine the correct URL that you are redirected to. Once the URL is set, you click confirm and then you save. And then you exit. Once the changes have been saved, you confirm the changes by scrolling down to the form and doing a test submission. And click submit. Once the form has been submitted, it will redirect to the new landing page, thank you page. Once the thank you page has been confirmed, now it's time to set up the conversions and tracking in Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, and Google Ads. In order to create a new conversion in Google Analytics, you go to Configurations and you go to Conversion and click New Conversion Event and you name it and save, and make sure the conversion is enabled. Next, with the same name, you create an event, create, and instead of event name, you do page location and then paste in the URL for the thank you page. And click create. After the conversion and the event has been created, we go over to Google Tag Manager to create the trigger for the event. Click add new. You name it. And you add a page view and then some views only, and then you go to page URL contains, and then you paste the thank you page URL and you click save, and then you create a tag that will fire on that trigger. So you name it, you click tag configuration and you do Google Analytics GA4 event, and for the tags configuration you do set manual ID, and the measurement ID can be found in Google Analytics. If you go to admin, data streams, click on the data stream, and then there is a measurement ID and you paste the measurement ID, and the event name is what we named the event in Google Analytics. So if we go back to configuration, and the event name is law marketing form. And just to confirm, we also check the conversion name. It's also law marketing form, and then we paste the event name here. And then for the trigger, we select the trigger that we just created for the law marketing form, and we save. Once the tag and the trigger has been created, we can then go into preview mode to test if the event is firing. So when asked for the URL, you give the URL of the page that you are trying to test the form on. You click connect. Make sure that the Google Tag Assistant is working, and in the Google Tag Assistant window, click OK. And over here you can see which tags are being fired and which ones are not. And right now the marketing form submission is not fired. So let's see if submitting the form will get us the data. So we go to the marketing page, we scroll down to the form, and we do another test submission. And we click submit. And then over here in Tag Assistant, we can see that we did clicks and page scroll and load, but right now, and then we're still waiting for the form. Autofill might sometimes cause the captcha to not be completed, so you have to fill out the form and then submit. And once the form has been properly submitted, when you go to Tag Manager, you click on the top view. And you can see that the law marketing form has been triggered. And then you can go into Google Analytics as well to confirm, but sometimes it will take a bit of time before the events and triggers are available in Google Analytics real time. Once you have confirmed that the tag is firing, then you go back into Google Tag Manager and you submit the updated changes. And you name the version and then you publish. And once it is published, now every time the form is submitted, you will see a conversion tracking in Google Analytics. When enough data has been submitted to a particular conversion or an event, Google will show the data in the events, and at that point you can import those conversions into Google Ads. So you go into your ads account, once you've logged into the ads account, you go to tools and settings and you go to conversions, and then in the conversion you do new conversion action, import, make sure to select the Google Analytics 4 property, and web, click continue, and you will see those conversions reporting, and you can just select those conversions and click import and continue, and done. And now those conversions will be showing up once there's more data attached to those conversions. And that's it for the video. Thank you.